This past weekend, a friend of mine was in a motorcycle accident. Kyle is one of the most passionate, kind, and loving people I know. He's a very talented writer and photographer and a bartender. Since I met Kyle, he's been an inspiration in my life. He lives life with passion and joy and kindness. He embodies the concept of paying it forward. He's a veteran of the AmeriCorps, and he just goes through life with so much joy and energy. It inspires me to be a better person and to live more fully. Unfortunately, after this accident, he's broken all 4 limbs. He won't be able to walk or care for himself for months. He's going to have a long road back to recovery. He worked as a bartender, and as most people in that industry, he doesn't have any insurance. So I'm asking anybody watching this video to contribute any way they can to help with his recovery. Kyle is one of the bright lights in the world, and I don't want this difficult time to dim that light. I want him to see that the world gives back to him as much as he gives to it. So if you can help in any way, please contribute. There's a link in the description down below. Share this video with whoever you can to help spread the word, make the world a little bit brighter for Kyle, because he makes the world so much brighter for everyone he touches. Thank you.